Welcome to Glowtopia. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of bioluminescent creatures, where nature's magic lights up the night. First up, let's talk about fireflies. These enchanting insects light up summer nights, using their glow to attract mates and communicate. Did you know their shimmering light comes from a unique chemical reaction? It's truly nature's light show. Now let's plunge into the depths of the ocean, where bioluminescent wonders like the anglerfish and jellyfish reside. These mesmerizing creatures use light to lure unsuspecting prey and ward off predators. The beauty of underwater luminescence is both breathtaking and mysterious.